Good afternoon again. Patrick Johnston here, managing broker. Go DominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com. Right here in the Dominican Republic, your real estate company to serve you for all of your needs. Today, of course, we are on the East Coast, part 2 of the videos that we're doing today. This area is called Dominicus Beach. This is the private beach section. In this area, there's lots of all-inclusives. There's probably a half a dozen all-inclusive resorts. And I have a history I'm going to tell you on one of them. But there are the Pueblo, the town of Dominicus Beach. It was very popular 25 years ago with Italian Canadians. And they came here and they would come here for the winter time. So there's lots of condos, reasonably priced, $75,000, $85,000, $120,000 range, about 100 to 300 meters from the beach. And when you see this beach, I mean, it's incredible. The beach is awesome, the water is calm, and it's awesome. So let's take a walk. We're going to show you a bit of the beach. We're going to show you the area view of the town and some of the shops along the way. So come on in. The funny story on this town is that probably, let's see here, 25 years ago or so, I was working for an airline in Canada called Canada 3000. And the airline was having such a hard trouble selling airline seats to the airport here in Romana. And what ended up happening is that we were new in the Atlantic market in Halifax, where I was living. And we couldn't sell it. The brand name of the airline wasn't popular or wasn't well known at that time in that region. So what we ended up doing, one night I was out at a pub, one of the maritime pubs, and the person I was with at that time said, look, why don't you take one of these bands down south and have them play at one of your resorts, and that should help you sell air seats. And I went, bing, light bulb. And so after the band was finishing playing that night, I went up to them with my business card and said, have I got a deal for you? So we booked 4 bands to travel down here. The hotel at the time was right behind over here, was called the Coral Canoa Hotel. And my friend Colin, who's watching right now, will remember this very vividly. But we booked 4 bands. Richard Wood, a famous fiddler from PEI. Number 2, Sons of Maxwell from Halifax, Nova Scotia. Number 3, Highland Heights, which is another band from Halifax and originally from Cape Breton. And the 4th one was the Fables from no other than St. John's, Newfoundland and Newfoundland in general. And the funny part of that is we were trying to give away the air seats before. Instead, we booked these bands, we raised the prices up to regular price and put our logo for the airline really small and put the name of the band very big. And we sold every single air seat in about 2 weeks for the entire winter season for that resort. True story. So we call it the Caribbean Kitchen Ceilidh, with Atlantic pub-style bands playing poolside at a resort. So there is an attraction to music, there is an attraction to beach, and of course, when you can go with your favorite band, it was so much fun. Side story, but here we are. This is at Dominicus Beach. It's beautiful. You know, this is, again, it's East Coast. Just so you know where the location is, we're about 45 minutes from Bavaro Punta Cana Airport. We're about 15 minutes from La Romana Airport. In relationship to Las Terrenas, we are about 3.5 hours from Las Terrenas. And if you're coming from the Cabarete Puerto Plata Sosua area, you can add another 2.5 hours to that. So about 5 hours driving to here. But it's very accessible. There's flights directly from Canada in the winter season to La Romana. And most of the people that stay in these hotels will fly into Punta Cana Airport and then make their way down here on about a 45-minute transfer. But it's a typical idyllic view. It's a small town feel. It's nowhere near as big as Punta Cana and Bavaro. So you still have that, you know, that local feeling. So you can walk into town, buy your rum, your beer, your snacks. You don't have to stay at large hotels here. You can buy a simple condo, be only minutes from the beach. Again, most people do that. So it makes it really efficient for people that want to spend the winter down here. They can own a condo. They can put it in our Airbnb program as well, and then rent it out when they're not here. So just a real short video because this is Dominicus Beach. It's beautiful. Add this to your checklist of things you want to see and do. The aerial shots are extraordinary. There's a beautiful lighthouse to my left that you're going to see on your aerial. And again, it's the gateway to Sanoa Island. So again, in the organization of it, we are at Dominicus Beach. Next door is Bayahibe Beach. And next to that is La Romana. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, make a comment down below. Tell us what you want to see next. And of course, my WhatsApp number is right here, 829-525-1782. Text me. I'm live 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily, except for Sunday Fun Day. But otherwise, you can reach me. All right, adios from the beach.